All right, let's activate the Securicode keypad for the 25 Ford trucks, or maybe Ford vehicles. I've got the Securicode, how you say it, FO OBD2 connector. I start out with it in the high-speed connection. All right, ignition on, Forscan. Select your vehicle if you've already got it used before. If not, just add it. Let it get a connection. Mine asked me if I have the high-speed, medium-speed switch. I do. Put it to medium speed now. Okay. Once everything is fully connected, go to the microchip. Let's scroll down to APIM. Module config, or the plain English version is what a lot of people call it. Click play. All right. Search for key or scroll down, whatever. Door code keypad. You want to make sure that's enabled. It should be on disabled on a 25. Enable it. Click check. Click right. Once you do that, it will tell you to cycle your ignition on and off, and you're done there. I didn't have to change it, so let's go back to the body control module. I'm sorry, I'm going to click stop. Go back to config and programming. Go to body CM, module config, or plain English. Click play. All right, we've got to put our switch back in the high-speed connection for this one. I don't know what you do on the ones that don't have the switch, but anyways. I was having issues getting Forscan to work with this truck. It's worked with literally 2 minutes before I hooked it up to this truck. I used it on my son's 2018, and no problem, but I had to update the Forscan version. As one of the users online said, my Forscan was about 20 years out of date. So once we're here, we're going to search key as well. Keypad. You can put it on hardware input. Click check. Click right. Again, it will tell you to cycle your ignition. All right, so mine is fully active now. I'm going to turn my ignition off. Open my door just to kind of reset everything. I'm going to put one key in the little port there. Ignition on. Let it ding a few times. Ignition off. Put my second key there. Ignition on. It tells you your factory keypad. That's it. Now install your hardware.